and Ruskin has issued a tornado warning for South Central Charlotte County in southwestern Florida, Western Lee County in southwestern Florida, until noon Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:33 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles west of Lovers Key State Park, over 15 miles west of Bonita Springs, moving north at 45 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Cape Coral, Harlem Heights, Iona, McGregor, and St. James City around 11:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Matlacha Isles, Matlacha Shores, and Pine Island Center around 11:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Lockmore Waterway Estates around 11:55 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include St. James City, Bokeelia, Punta Rasa, Bernstore Marina, Giuseppe Island, and North Fort Myers. Take cover now. If your home is flooded, avoid flood waters. If possible, take shelter in an interior room. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until noon Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Charlotte and Lee.